Here is the Ibis Lausanne Centre in Switzerland. I was going to the Montreux Jazz Festival in the evening and needed a reasonably priced hotel from which I could leave for Zurich early on the following morning. It is possible to get back to Lausanne as trains from Montreux run all night during the Jazz Festival. The Ibis turned out to be a good option. It has 127 rooms. The reception area is okay, but the ceiling did seem to be a bit low. They even have a foosball table. In my opinion, the corridors were the best part of the hotel. They clearly invested some money in modernizing them. Compared to standard Ibis hotels, they looked very stylish. Double room 304, virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. My initial impression when walking into the room was that it was decently sized, but that the bed could have been slightly wider. The view out of the window was not that spectacular, but at least it was quiet. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video.
Positive points.
I got the room at a good price for Switzerland. Good location in the center of Lausanne. It's a 15-minute walk from the station. Quiet room looking out on backyard.
Negative points.
The lady at the reception tried to charge me 35 Swiss francs for the city tax instead of 550. I hope it was a legitimate mistake and that they don't try that with every tourist. No phone to TV pairing. No coffee-making facilities. I stayed in July 2025. The room cost around 91 Swiss francs, that was equivalent to around 114 US dollars. I did not have breakfast. Breakfast would have been an extra 19 Swiss francs, about 24 US dollars. If you want to see my review of another Ibis hotel, click on the top right to see my review of the Ibis Budget Manchester Airport. The bathroom was modern and functional. Rock your body. Everything was very clean, but would you expect anything less in Switzerland? Cool soap dispensers. The brand is called Solidou and is from Lithuania. My rating 4.1.